Morning. Just going to do a quick video on programming keys from Mercedes. This is an A-Class 176. There's a bit of confusion at the moment because obviously you can't program FSB4 keys, nobody can. But the EIS type is shown as a 246, which is apparently an FSB4. We did an all keys lost on this via OBD yesterday. It actually came in with no keys. You can see it's an auction car. Via OBD, we did a new key. So we're just going to do a spare key for it as well now and just see how it copes with that. Alright, here we go. Yep. So I'm going to read the EIS data. Detect the frequency for the ignition key. Try that again. There we go. The IR keyhole. Okay. Oh, that's not good, is it? The smart key. Nope. Keys, smart key, no, okay. One key in. One key's already in. Let's see if this works. Now we have got a dodge ignition here where someone's tried to break into it. And it does take a few attempts there. So whether it is FSB4 or it isn't, I have no idea, but adding a spare key to Mercedes A-Class 2015. Cheers.